Hey there, the wife's getting ready to come home from work. It's about 7:10, Friday the 13th. Try to make her breakfast for when she gets home. She works night shift, so gonna make a little omelet here. Just eggs, of course, a little tomato, basil, fresh basil out of the garden this morning, and a little prosciutto mixed up in there. If I had some mozzarella cheese, some fresh mozzarella, I'd put that in there, but I'm fresh out of it. So we're just doing eggs, tomatoes, and prosciutto ham. All right. Yeah, it's ham and tomatoes and basil. Just cooking it just slightly. I got 3 eggs here. Cast iron frying pan, a little bit of oil, and on medium low heat. I would, like I said, if I had cheese, I'd put some cheese in there, but out of fresh mozzarella, out of Parmesan, out of everything. So this will have to work. The eggs were free. A friend of mine's got, I don't know how many chickens, probably 50. And he doesn't charge for eggs, he just gives them away. So that's good. All right, let me flip this thing over and form it up so it looks halfway decent. The prettiest thing in the world, but I don't do pretty food. She likes it, and got some leftover French bread in the oven for to eat with it. All right, that's it. Thank you. Have a good day. Watch out there. It's Friday the 13th. Take care.